So, welcome back, guys. This is the third video of our series, and before starting it, just want to wish you a very happy new year. And also stay safe at home because situations are getting tough again. So, without further ado, just start the video. So, today we will discuss about the dashboard tab and also the automated scanner which Burpsuite Professional provides us. The Burpsuite Community Edition would not provide us the automatic scanner, but the professional version does. So we would test our automatic scanner on the website which we set up, the demo website which we set up, like the DVWA. So let's just open it. And so password done. So this is the web application on which we will testing our automated scanner. So first let me explain all the parts in this dashboard tab. This is the live task part, like whenever we will open something or assign some task like live audit or live passive crawl, it will be appearing here that which tasks are running. This is the event log. The use of the event log will wait, just I will show you. Before we have to enable our proxy as well. Just go to manual proxy configuration and do the HTTP proxy configuration to localhost or 127.0.0.1. Set the port to the intersection port of the Burpsuite, or simply just do it 8080 and just take this as well. So it would work now, just like this. I will show you one more thing. If we go to options, if we go to options, see, this is the proxy on which our Burpsuite is listening. We can add more proxies as well, like we can choose anything from here as well, but for this case and for the future videos as well, we will only use the localhost, as we will be testing our tool on the web application which we set up. So yeah, so let's get back to the event log. If we search something here like just I will explain what's intercept in the later videos. Just let me show you first. If we search something here like India, for example, see, all the websites, all the web pages and all the HTTP requests are appeared here only. So this is the event log where we can see each and every website, web pages, HTTP requests, HTTPS requests and other things, web requests other things here. So this is the event log. This is for I guess this is not very much important, just it helps us in getting a proper view of what we are searching and what our proxy is accepting from the browser or the websites. And this is the place which we would spend our most of the time. This is the issue activity part. Here the Burpsuite will show us the possible vulnerabilities which it is trying to find in this website, like these things are informational vulnerability. This is not very much important as well, but this is like these things, like the severity is low, so we can get all the issues here. And also we can see these things as well, that the live tasks which we are running here, the live audit and the live. So this is it. Let me show you more. Let me restart my Burpsuite so it will look clean. And if my voice is a bit broken today because I'm just affected by some cold, but it's okay. I would try to post regular videos from now, but let's see what happens. So let us start a new automated scan. Let me first explain all the parts here. So this is crawl and audit, or crawl. Crawl means a program which travels each and every part of a website to find all the subfolders, subdomains, and files and other things, which helps us to get a proper view of what the website is comprised of. So this is it. And audit means just scan it for vulnerabilities, possible vulnerabilities, which it may have or it may not have. So for this example, we would like to do crawl and audit both as well. So just let us do the complete scan. Let me show you. So okay, so this is the website which we will be scanning. Like, this is the website. So protocol settings means if we use this option, scan with HTTP or HTTPS, it would scan this website with twice with each protocol, once for HTTP and once for HTTPS. So this is an extra option which Burpsuite automated scanner provides us, which helps us to scan if sometimes websites allow us to visit their HTTP page as well. So it is sometimes helpful, but in this case, as we know that localhost always hosts on HTTP, so we would rather be just using scan using my specified protocols. So in this part, we can add scope configuration, like we can exclude or include URL prefixes which we are looking for some advanced scans, or advanced part for advanced vulnerability management, or for advanced bug bounty as well. Like, so for suppose if you are looking for .js part, or if you are looking for I guess the etc passwords and other things, we can just include them or exclude them from the URL prefixes or suffixes as well. So no, so here is not. Oh, sorry. So I would just like to copy this and paste it here, and let's move to this scan configuration. So this is a important part. Let me show you let me tell you what scan configuration is. So scan configuration means how our automated scanner will work. This is known as scan configuration. For example, we want our scanner to work for only 10 minutes, for example. So we can do that. We want our scanner to exclude JavaScript files. We can do that. We want our scanner to minimize false positives or minimize false negatives as well. These are known as scan configuration, how we want to configure our Burpsuite automatic scanner. So in this case, we have two options with us. This is the built-in scan configurations which Burpsuite provides us. see, the crawl strategy is fastest, more complete, most complete, extensions only, light active. These things are provided by Burpsuite itself only, so we don't have to work on it. But still, if for any reason you think that you want to configure your own scanner, you can simply just go like maximum link depth. Like I will show you what's link depth. Link depth means, suppose it's like this, for example, like this, like it has 5 parts here. So like this, we can increase the link depth, we can increase or decrease the crawl limits, login functions. You can attempt to register a self-register, or there are many options as well. This is for the crawling part, and crawling, I already explained you what is crawling. Auditing means Burpsuite tries various ways to find if some vulnerabilities are present in the website or not. So let's see, Burpsuite will scan for all these vulnerabilities. You can unselect some as well, but I don't think you would need this. And yeah, that's it. So for this as we know that this machine is already vulnerable, I won't configure my scan. I just want to run it normally as well. You can configure it anytime, and I would also recommend that always configure your scans using this one. These two, never stop body due to application errors. This helps a lot, because else your scanner might stop quite a few times. And also yeah, you should always, while auditing, you should always minimize false positive. Use this scan configuration as well. You can use multiple as well, like see, like I am using, you can use multiple of this. So yeah, so let's move to the application login. Here you can assign the scanner with some login credentials like username, passwords, or anything more. Or you can also use the Burpsuite Chrome extension, which the Burpsuite provides. Let me show you. These are the parts, these things are here, Burpsuite embedded browser. So I will show you later on what that is, but it's not that much necessary, I think. So I will leave it to use login credentials, username and password, which Burpsuite will assign itself. And resource pool, yeah, this is the important thing. Resource pool means resource pool helps us to send custom amount of requests to the web application. Like for example, if I want to for example, if I type here 100, it will send 100 requests per second. So you can also type here delay as well, 10 seconds delay, or suppose 20 milliseconds delay, like for each 2 seconds there would be 100 concurrent requests. But if you don't have permissions to scan websites or web applications, I would you should not use more than 60 or 70 concurrent requests, as else it will create a huge load on the web application, which can result in some problems like shutting down, or some more problems as well. So better to use, for this case I will use only 10 requests, but for regular scanning 50 is more than enough, I would say. So yeah, pretty much we are done with this part. So let's start the scan. So see, here the scan has started, the audit has started as well. So it would take some time. See, so clear text submission of password. What is this? See, the page contains a form of URL which is submitted over clear text HTTP. Like if this is the request part of the this is the HTTP request part, which we can intercept using our proxy manager as well, but and this is the response which we get from the web application. So yeah, so this is the explanation of the vulnerability which this scanner has this scanner provides us. This is another. So I would wish we will be waiting for some time to get this scan complete. So yeah, it just finished the scanning, but we didn't get anything. So let us just scan another part. Just give me a moment. And inclusion. Yeah, you can scan it. But just one more try. If we don't get any result, we will just be moving to the next video. But let's just check it once more. I guess now, yeah, see, we get various type of vulnerabilities. It's still scanning, and we will be getting more vulnerabilities. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I would like to wrap it up here, and I will show the vulnerabilities which we got from here in the next video, and also explain it because the video is getting longer, and I don't want to get it longer like this much. So yeah, bye bye. Would see you in the next video. Stay tuned.